All right. Sorry if this is choppy, but I'm going to show you this app I made where I'm using Microsoft Azure's sentiment analysis. Be gone. All right, here we are. So I was unable to do this live because Docker was bogging down my machine, but I just wanted to show you the final product here. So you're able to leave a review for each product. This is a coffee app we built for a client, connecting buyers to the vendors. And a concern that some vendors had was that trolls could just come in and just totally destroy some of their product's reputation. So the solution I came up with was to use sentiment analysis to sort of filter out overly negative reviews. And that's what we did here. So upon buyers can leave a review, and upon submitting the review, the entire review is sent over to Microsoft Azure sentiment analysis, and we get this object back here. And what this object is doing, it's sending back the entire review, overall sentiment, which in this case is negative, and then it also breaks it down into confidence scores. I'm actually using negative confidence scores. We're pulling that out and just using that, and then filtering just based on this score here. The other cool thing is that it breaks down the sentiment sentence by sentence, and then sort of averages that into our overall confidence score here. But you can see that we'll just look at one sentence here. So the first sentence, the coffee lacked depth and flavor, tasting more like water with a hint of bitterness. And Microsoft, in all their wisdom, analyzed this to have negative sentiment, and provided with scores here. So no positive in there at all. Maybe a tiny bit neutral, but yeah, definitely negative here. So here I'm just pulling out the negative score and then using that, like I said, to filter, which I'll show you real quick here. I'm hoping this isn't too laggy, but for our purposes here, I just created this little function where we're passing in our sentiment score, and then just based on that, we're getting back emojis. Fortunately, I already filtered out the negative emojis on our app, but I'll just show you real quick. Let me just scroll down slow because I think it's going to be laggy. So right here, you can see here I'm passing in the sentiment score of each review. I'm passing that into our cool little function here. So yeah, and then onto the app, where we can see that we only have 5 reviews. None of them look negative, like they're positive. They were analyzed as positive, or this one's neutral. But if we look over here, we can see that all of our reviews are here, and we have 11 of them. So it seems to be successfully filtering out the negative reviews. And if we look at the last one that I just posted, we can see here that we have a 0.96. And like I said, that's 0.96. I should label this negative sentiment score. That would make things a little easier. And I'll do that right after this. So we're using this number. If it's above 0.6, then we're filtering it out. So if it's overly negative,